Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a boom and crash strategy that you can use to catch spike. Alright, so this is a spike catching strategy. Alright, with this strategy, you'll be able to catch multiple spike from the boom and crash market. Alright, so before I share with you how the strategy works, I'm going to quickly share with you the setup for this strategy, and then I will show you how to use the strategy in order to catch multiple spikes from the market. Alright, and with this strategy you'll be able to grow your small account, be it a $5, a $10 or a $30 account. Alright, as far as you can use this strategy to open a position in the market, you'll be able to grow that account, because anytime the condition for this strategy is met, it always deliver. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let me quickly share with you the setting for this strategy. So you are going to first of all click on this icon. So after clicking on that, the first indicator here is the Ichimoku. You can see that. Alright, so you click on it, you can see the settings. Alright, these are the parameters. So you change here to 9, this is 26, this is 52. You leave the field empty, and then under the style you can see how it is, right? So you have to change this to 3 pixel, make the color black, or you can use any color of your choice. Then you make the rest of them 1 pixel, and then the color is going to be the color of your background, right? So if you're using a black, you make it black, right? So after that, you click on save. Now the next indicator here is the relative strength index, which we are going to be using for our levels, right? So before you look for the relative strength index, you have to click on this indicator, then you search for the relative strength index. So after searching for the relative strength index, right, you are going to, alright, this is the default setting for the period. The apply to is close, and then the style, you make it 4 pixel, and then you leave the color the way it is, right? And then for the levels, you are going to add up to 4 levels. Then these are the setting. It's going to be 85, 15, 30, and 75. Sorry, 70. And the pixel is going to be 2. Then you make the color black or any other color of your choice. After that, you go back and then you click on save, right? Now the last indicator here is going to be the Ichimoku, but before you add the Ichimoku, you have to click on this second icon here, not the first one anymore. Okay, so after that, now for the Ichimoku, you are going to use the setting the way it is. The first and the setting for the first one is going to be the setting you are going to use here also. All right, so you don't need to change anything, you just click it and then you click on save. All right, so you use the same setting as the first one. Okay, hope you understand what I'm saying. Now after that, you click on save, right, and then you go back. So after doing everything as I've said, you are going to have something like this on your screen. All right, now that is that for the setting. Now how does the strategy work? Okay, let me show you. First of all, our condition number 1 is going to be that you allow this blue RSI line, the blue one, to get to the oversold zone, which is your 30 and the 15 zone here, right? Once price gets into this zone, right, also the black one is going to go into that zone too, right? Now you don't just go in for buy it, right? You don't just go in. This is boom, right? We are going to be buying, and on crash we are going to be selling. All right, so once you see this condition being met, you wait. Then whenever there is a spike, you are going to see on the indicator window that the blue RSI is going to cross above the black one, right? So immediately it cross above the black one, you look on your main chart and you see that the you look on the main chart and you see that the spike has crossed above the black Ichimoku line, right? It has crossed above it, right? You take your entry immediately, right? You don't wait for anything else. Once you notice that it's above the black Ichimoku line, it has broken above it, you take your entry, and then your stop loss is going to be below that spike, right? That is what I like about catching spike. You can set stop loss, but whenever you are trading against spike, you'll not be able to do that. All right, so that's why it's good to like catch spike instead of the other one. Here the risk is small, and the trading against spike, the risk is higher, but you stand the chance to make profit easily with that. All right, but I think the spike catching is more safer, right? So you place your entry here and then your stop loss goes below it, right? Then for the TP, now I've given you the condition, I've given you the entry, and I've given you the stop where to exit the market. Now it's remaining something which is going to be the exit point, right? For your TP, which is going to be the exit point, you are to wait for this. I was saying before, for your TP, you are going to wait for the blue RSI line here to get to the 70 and 85 zone. So once you see that it has crossed above or touched the 70 line, you are to exit the market, right? You don't need to stay more than that. All right, you have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, like you have gotten like 4 spike here, so there's no need to stay longer. You just exit the market and you are done. You wait for the next opportunity. All right, there are multiple opportunities with this strategy. All right, so I think this is a loose trade here. You can see it broke above. You take your entry here, stop loss here, then you see that it take you out, right? And then the next opportunity here, you can see that again. Once it break, you can still re-enter, right? Re-enter, stop loss here, and you see you make your money back times 2 or times 3, right? So you can see this is a very good strategy. This is another opportunity here again. Once it's spike, you take your entry, stop loss here, and then you can see how good it is, right? So as you can see, the strategy is very simple to understand. If you just follow the condition I give, and then you are going to be safe, right? Make sure you follow everything I've explained and you are good to go. All right, so what I want you to do now is to go and back test the strategy. All right, back test and see if it's working as I've said before you go in with your real money. All right, don't just take my word for it. All right, make sure you back test for yourself and see if the strategy is working or not, right? So for the zoom level, you are going to zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice, 1 and 2. That's the zoom level. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this one. Okay, and let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So as you can see here on the 15-minute time frame, all right, this is the 1 hour time frame. Right, you can see that currently we are in a downtrend, right? So this strategy is not going to work very well. All right, so you make sure you do your analysis from the higher time frame, and whenever you are in an uptrend, that is when you should apply the strategy. All right, whenever you are in an uptrend, that is when the strategy is going to work very well. It's going to work 90% of the time. So make sure you take note of that. And like I said, make sure you use the 70 and the 80 level as your TP. Alright, don't stay more than that. If not, you are going to like get profit, and then when you are waiting for more spike, you discover it's going to go back in loss. Alright, and at the end you are going to be ending up losing the trade. Alright, so make sure you stick to the TP level I give, and with time you are going to make a lot of money using this strategy. Okay, so I think that is going to be all. I don't think there's anything else left for me to say regarding this strategy. So I think that is going to be all for this strategy. If you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, I will really appreciate if you smash that subscribe button down there. Alright, make sure you smash the subscribe button, join the family. Alright, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you are going to get notified immediately. And please share the video to your friend so that they also can get the valuable information you are getting right now, and also make the money, right, you are going to be making with this strategy. Right, so I think that is going to be all for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.